How to start a faceless newsletter that makes money. Ever thought about starting a newsletter but don't want to put your name or face out there? Good news, you don't have to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a faceless newsletter from scratch that not only grows your audience but can also make you money. Let's get started. Why start a newsletter? Newsletters are one of the best ways to connect directly with an audience. Whether you want to share your expertise, promote products, or build a loyal community, newsletters give you a direct line to people's inboxes. And the best part? You can do it all anonymously. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to start your faceless newsletter, picking a niche, creating content, growing your subscriber base, and monetizing it. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Choosing your niche. First, you need to decide what your newsletter will be about. This is your niche, and it's the foundation of your entire project. Think about topics that people are passionate about, like personal finance, productivity, health tips, or even hobbies like gaming or gardening. Here's a trick. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm niche ideas. For example, I'll ask it, what are some popular newsletter niches that can grow quickly? ChatGPT response. Some popular niches include productivity and time management, investing and personal finance tips, healthy living and meal prep, emerging tech and AI trends, DIY crafts, and home improvement ideas. Pick a niche that excites you and has an audience hungry for information. A focused niche will make it easier to attract the right subscribers. Step 2. Creating content anonymously. Next, let's talk about creating content. To stay anonymous, you'll want to write under a pseudonym or create a brand name for your newsletter. Tools like ChatGPT can help generate content quickly and easily. For example, let's say I'm starting a newsletter on productivity hacks. I'll ask ChatGPT, write 5 quick productivity tips for a newsletter. ChatGPT response, sure, here are 5 tips. Use the Pomodoro technique to focus in short bursts. Plan your day the night before to hit the ground running. Start with your most challenging task in the morning. Limit distractions by turning off notifications. Take regular breaks to recharge your focus. Just like that, I have valuable content to share with my subscribers. You can also include curated links, book recommendations, or trending topics to keep your newsletter fresh. Step 3. Designing your newsletter. Now that you've got your content, it's time to design your newsletter. Don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer. Tools like Substack, ConvertKit, or MailChimp make it easy to create professional-looking newsletters with simple templates. Choose a clean design that's easy to read. Add a catchy headline for each issue, and use bold text or bullet points to highlight key points. And remember, your branding, like your newsletter name, should reflect your niche. For example, a finance newsletter could be called Money Moves Weekly, while a productivity newsletter might be Get Things Done Digest. Step 4. Growing your audience. To grow your audience, you'll need to promote your newsletter. Start by sharing it on social media, Reddit, or niche forums. You can also write guest posts or collaborate with other creators in your niche. Offer something valuable to your subscribers, like a free PDF guide or exclusive tips, to encourage signups. And don't forget to add a clear call to action like, subscribe to get weekly tips delivered straight to your inbox. Consistency is key. Whether you're sending newsletters weekly or bi-weekly, stick to a schedule so your subscribers know when to expect your content. Step 5. Monetizing your newsletter. Finally, let's talk about making money. Once you've built a loyal audience, there are several ways to monetize your newsletter sponsorships. Partner with brands in your niche. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn commissions. Paid subscriptions. Offer premium content for a monthly fee. For example, a productivity newsletter could partner with a task management app, while a fitness newsletter could include affiliate links for workout gear. Monetization takes time, so focus on delivering value first. The more useful your content, the faster your newsletter will grow. Conclusion, recap, and final tips. And there you have it. a step-by-step guide to starting your Faceless newsletter. We covered picking a niche, creating content, designing your newsletter, growing your audience, and even monetizing it. With these tips, you can start building a newsletter that connects with readers and generates income, all while staying anonymous. Now it's your turn. What niche are you thinking of for your Faceless newsletter? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on building faceless digital businesses. Thanks for watching.